Global leading brand for solar LED streetlights. Concept design from the latest smartphone, the world's first all-in-one solar power LED light, fully integrated components within the attractive and compact design. Automatic light sensor function requires no manual operation. Lights up automatically when the sun sets and switches light off automatically when the sun rises. Infrared motion sensor for better energy and light efficiency. When people walk around the lighting area, the light works at 100% to make sure there is enough light on the road. When people leave that area, the light dims to 30% after 10 seconds. With its unique design, the posts enable fast, safe, and cost-effective installation of lighting, suitable in all weather conditions and soil types. The unique post allows for full installation in less than 30 minutes by one person. We offer the largest selection of solar-powered LED light systems in the world.